We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hello everybody, how you all doing? Hi. What's up, what's going on? You still alive, people? Long time no see, is it? Long time no see. It's been a few months. Last stream I think it was in October. We're in December now. We missed Oktoberfest, I guess. How much is it? Is October, November, December? It's 2 months. It's not that much, really. Hey, Nano, I'm good. How is our terminating robot assassin Nano? What's up? What's up? Nemu, what's up, Bogdan? Avanon Vise, yo, what's up? Welcome to the stream, everybody. Yeah, guys, so today's is a different day. We're not streaming normally like we used to do. We're doing a dev stream. We're doing a dev stream, which is a development stream in which I work on Dynanobs, the Twitch game I was making, and you guys watch me and we talk about different stuff. That's what today is. Nano, you make a new form of your nano robot. We'll talk about that. Let me change the scenes here. Let's see. Unity scene. There we go. I have a new thing on OBS that I wanted to check out, which is automatic scene changing. Basically, when I go into like the coding and stuff, it changes scenes automatically, so I don't have to change them, you know, which is interesting. So we'll check how well it works, you know. First time for everything. Wanted to ask, what is Dynanobs? Will there be a way of people to beta test it? Yeah, so Dynanobs is a game that I decided to make for Twitch streamers. Something like, if you guys know stream avatars, where you have your little avatar or the viewer's avatars on the stream on your screen. Wanted to make something like that, but have it more of a game-like thingy where you basically play with the other chat characters and have an RPG-like system involved with levels, with inventories. It's like a multiplayer RPG but on Twitch. Literally. And why Twitch and not YouTube? Because I said I'm at some point on Discord, on our Discord server. By the way, if you're not on our Discord server, join in. The link is in the description of the stream. I said that I'm gonna look for a way to check. Hold up a moment. Be right back. One moment. There's something going on. Hold up. Somebody was requesting some important data from me. I'm back. Yeah. So why on Twitch and not on YouTube is because YouTube, or to get info from YouTube and its chat and everything like that, I have to use a like to send data through web stuff, to HTTP stuff, then get from or send it to the YouTube server, then get it back to the same option, and it's a lot more time consuming, and yeah. I'm not, you know, I'm not gonna go through all that stuff. I'm just gonna, you know, use Twitch for now. But yeah, I hope I answered your question, Avanon, with what Dynanobs is. And it's gonna be available for like everybody, I guess, at some point. Or I'm thinking more of a system where streamers request it, like if they want to have the app on their stream, request it and I give it to them and put them in the app like a streamer, and then users just join in chat. Like, not everybody will have the ability to be a streamer, I guess. Maybe we'll see for the future what happens. Right. So what have you guys done in this, like, the time while I was away, or we were away? A little PNG. Yeah, the because we don't have a model, I put a sticky note there saying that the model is in the works. When will you finish the model? You make phone version? I suppose, like, I think we can make a phone version for it. But the whole thing with the inventory and stuff will require a different application, so you'll have to download it. So I'm not sure if it works well on phone or not. I don't know. Primarily for now, it's gonna be on PC. Nothing major, school and stuff, work and energy drinks. Oh, I feel you, Avanon. Right, about the model, there is some things planned. Like, I've not just stayed idly by this 2 months and did absolutely nothing. Of course not. I played Skyrim. Besides playing Skyrim all this time, and Minecraft, of course, Skyrim and Minecraft. Besides that, I've come up with some interesting ideas. Like, I've did a big and long brainstorming, and I've come up with a few different things for the whole cybermention, and I'm planning a few things that I cannot say anything about because it's like major spoilers for everything. There's all I can say is that we're gonna have an interesting story in the cybermention. I don't exactly know when it's gonna come out, but I'm working endlessly on it. But yeah, there's gonna be some major things, like major changes in things for the cybermention. You'll see. And that's where a new model is coming in, a new, like, systems and stuff will be coming in, and more. By the way, don't you guys have, like, school break for holidays this season or this week? I don't drink energy drinks often, but I drink when I need. Yeah, I rather prefer coffee than energy drinks, to be honest. I don't really like the taste of energy drinks, but well, to each their own, I guess. Don't overdo the energy drinks, trust me, I know. What have you done, Nemu? Just PC now. The new nanoform will be a Terminator. Maybe. And we're gonna kill every living thing. And run out of dosh to build the cybermention. Technically yes, but at the same time no. Because everything is being built for free. The only thing that actually uses money is the price for the, like, electricity needed to run the cybermention. Third or second as models goes, I have no idea. Like, we had the first model, then we had the second model, then we had the first droid model, so which I would say is the third, and we had the fourth model with the no, actually the third model is the robot, and then the other robot models are updates of that specific model, because they are not, like, different. It's the same model. It's still a KH31, so it's still the same model. It's just updates of it, so, or skins of it, if I should say. So this would be the fourth model, in a way. That's how you see it. School ends for me on a Thursday. Thursday? What happened with Friday? And I'm on permanent vacation for now. Hey, that's good. That's amazing, I guess. And I have a physics simulation on Wednesday. Oh, you mean it's not called a simulation in English. I think it's called a I don't even know. I don't think they have it. A kind of a revision or something. But yeah. Some schools should have breaks starting this Thursday. Others already started, depending on the education level. Oh, I see. I see. What about the wear and tear on the PC parts? We're not talking about that. Because it's massive. But we're not going into details. What it is that I'm looking for an update and I'm like checking some options and stuff. Maybe next year we're gonna get a major update on the PC and we'll be able to do a lot more stuff. I think. I cannot promise anything. Stop the save from your project. I really need it. I mean, it's physics. It's complicated. From Friday is a free day for those from high school and schools until January. One thing I want from you, don't make simp magnet. What do you mean don't make simp magnet? There's no sims in the cybermention. There's only slaves. It's either you are not a member of the cybermention or you're a slave of the cybermention. That's how it works. Those who don't know us, they're not a member of the cybermention. Those who know us are already slaves of the cybermention. What's on Friday? Oh, Friday is the 23rd. That makes sense. Why it's free, yeah. The first time I heard about a sim magnet. I'm impressed, Nemo. Don't you know Shy Lily? she's a fucking simp magnet. What's the gag with simp magnet? Are you Magneto? I wish I was Magneto, but funny thing about that, at some point I've thought about making a like special gloves with magnets in them that can attract and like push metal. But then I did some research on the price of magnets and I was like, oh hell no. Not worth it. Oh, the whale. Yep, I guess the whale. You not watch the VTuber from Twitch? No, he does. How does that work for magnetic thing for a robot? No, it doesn't have anything to do with robots and stuff. It's like when a model, like when somebody makes a model that is, let's say, appeals to the fantasy of the viewers. Usually in the VTuber community, that means half naked and like being a dummy mommy or being a ooh thingy. It's called a simp magnet because it attracts simps. I know you have subscribe tier 20 to Shy Lily. Shut up. We're not talking about that. Shush. Big powerful magnets are super expensive. Yep. Same with lasers. Yeah, I also looked into making something with lasers. Don't. Are Romanian VTubers rarely English ones? Understandable. Understandable. Like, honestly, on Twitch, you don't usually get a lot of VTubers to watch. Mostly are quite annoying. Most of them. For example, I don't really watch English VTubers either. I think I watch only Hololive on YouTube, and other than that, I watch Japanese VTubers. Big Booba equals simp. Exactly. Meanwhile, Gravity always stream in English. Yeah, but she's Romanian. I don't. Leave the Romanian VTubers out of the equation here, okay? Okay. The details, yeah. Yeah, right. Anyway, so what we're gonna do today in Dynanobs thingy. By the way, this is how Dynanobs looks. The app. Like when you're a streamer and stuff, this is how it technically looks with oh yeah, we can start because we have an error. Actually, let me get rid of that error. This is the Twitch API, by the way. All code here is Twitch thingies. A thing that I need to check here. Yeah, we have it enabled. Right, so we also need to save this. Right. What? Spread the time. Oh, no, you... Shut up. Go fuck yourself. This is very little reason to stream in Romanian, to be honest. There just isn't enough of an audience for it. Yeah, that's true. Like, if you... well, it depends. Like, if you want to create just a small mini community with people that speak your... like, the same language you speak, yeah, it's okay to, like, create a... to be a Romanian VTuber. Like, think of Creative Monkeys. They're not VTubers, but they have a community. If you want to do a community like that, yeah. But if you want to hit, like, big numbers and stuff, you... do have to go the English side of things. That's just how it is. It's just what you wanna do. Right. Green screen, put the image of anime. No. Santi, what's up? Welcome to the stream. do. How are you doing, man? Playing ADC again? All of you to assume I went to school. I'm talking about the weeb culture that is in its infancy now. Oh yeah, weeb culture is in Romania is actually nearly to non-existent. Nearly to non-existent. Like, our biggest VTuber is Rochan, which she gets maximum of 100 or 200 people on stream, which is sad compared to, let's say, a quite small but known VTuber on, like, in English community and stuff. It's way different. But yeah, this is basically what streamers see with the application right now. It's still a work in progress, as you see the version right here. You type your channel name right here and you connect to it, and then it says that you're connected and stuff like that, and you have your little character here on screen. Technically, oh wait, start the compare. I didn't want to do that. That was my bad. Hold up. Actually, before this, hold up. There we go. We make it big, so you can see what's going on. So our Twitch channel, we connect to it. We are connected. It says right there. We can close that if we want. Spawns the like players or the users here. And while the application is connected to the channel, it will like look through the users that are in the chat at the moment, and if you are registered in the application, you will spawn with a model in the like on the screen here, and you will be simulated on the actual screen of the streamer, like Twitch avatars. But yeah, that's what that's how this looks like. And you'll be able, I don't know, you'll be able to play stuff, or the characters will be able to do stuff at some point. Pretty good. I skipped school today and I play Crisis Core. Let's go! There's my true gamer, boy! It started growing though. Yeah, it's growing, but it's slowly growing. Like it's slowly. It's a actually good level. Like, compared to other things in Romania, the weeb part of things, it's growing faster than anything else. Look, a little nano. Yep. How small it is. That's what she's. Yeah. The zoomings and stuff. I don't think I'm gonna add that option. And you know. I don't think that should be a thing with zooming. They're small. They're supposed to be small so they don't take up the whole entire screen in your OBS or your stream in general. Yeah. What the app allows you to do, or what you do as a user in the app, it's that you have all this shit here, which is your class, because you can choose a class for your avatar or your character. You also have levels and points, or cyber points, like currency, money, and stuff like that. We can probably check like how much channel points does a specific user have. I don't know if that's available in TwitchLib and stuff. We'll check. But we can subtract points from that. Oh, never mind. I also talk to friends while playing Crisis Core, since I don't need to protect my ass from enemies on LoL. Yeah, life of an ADC. Yeah, I went to a Japanese party yesterday. Surprised on how many kids were in the anime culture, even dressed like Naruto Akatsuki characters. Yep. Like the weeb culture thingy, it's at an okay level in Romania, but at the internet culture is not at an okay level, and they combined. I don't know. It's very strange, because we got the anime thingy faster than we got the whole internet thingy. Why Rochan don't try stream on YouTube and Twitch in the same time? It's because she's a partner. Like you are not allowed. If you're a partner or an affiliate, you sign a contract with Twitch, and they do not allow you to simultaneously stream on different platforms. You are you have to only stream on Twitch, otherwise you are gonna get banned. Do we have rogue or assassin? For now, no. For now we only have 3 classes, which are melee, mage, and ranged. But maybe in the future we'll have more classes. I went yesterday to an anime and cosplay party in my city. It was fun. I suppose so. Sad. Yeah, I know. It's Twitch. It's Twitch. What can you do? There's nothing we can do. Anyway, the class, the levels and stuff. The thing that I've added and worked a bit on this past few days when I restarted the project here, it's the raids and how they'll work. I'll show you in just a moment. So when you connect, that's not the channel. Yeah, if the channel is not okay, like if you connect to the wrong channel, you can just change the name and then type the correct name. Because it happened, so I connected to the wrong channels multiple times. We're not talking about that. Anyway, right, so the raids and stuff, it's like major events that will happen on stream where we're gonna get to fight bosses and stuff. And how are they organized? Like, we don't have any player now or any user. We just have our owner skin and user. But we can start with this. So basically, when we start a raid, we're gonna have a period of buying things for 60 seconds. Right now it's 10 seconds because we made it for deving purposes. But yeah, we're gonna get the boss here. We're gonna get the players on this side, and we're basically gonna fight the boss in a turn-based kind of combat where the chat party fights and then the boss fights the chat party and the healths are going down and stuff like that. And how it works is the following. The more, like, you're gonna get a warning in chat that the raid is about to start, and you can join by a chat command. And then the more people join, the more power the, like, I can show right here, the more power, the more user power you get, which is your, like, damage you have, and that is multiplied by 2. So basically, if there's 50 people joined, you're gonna have 50 multiplied by 2, and that's about 100 user power. And then you are gonna do 100 damage to the boss, which has 250 health. So per turn, in 3 turns, you're gonna kill the boss. When you kill the boss, the raid is over and everybody gets points. If the boss kills you or destroys the whole party, the chat, a party which will have its health here. So if the boss destroys the party, you will basically lose, the chat will lose, the raid is over, and you're gonna get a few rewards. You're not gonna get items and stuff like that. You just get some cyber points and some level to, or XP to level up. That's how the raids work. They're like big events that happen midstream and stuff. So you have some kind of an interaction or a purpose to play on that streamer's specific channel. I write taiko drums for the first time. How is it? It's true what I see if I donate money in Twitch for a person. How makes stream this person? What donate? Can you see me real name? You mean the thingy here? The money thingy in the corner, in the left corner that shows on the screen? It's basically if you donate not only on Twitch but on YouTube as well. There is a donation button, and yeah, it will show your name over there and how much you donated. Well, if it's... Wait, it's really fun. It was my childhood dream to play drums, and I'm a bit good at them. What happened with the guitar? Let's hope one class won't be more overpowered or underpowered than the other. The classes thingy, like... The class system, it's non-existent now. They're just for cosmetic purposes. But once you get, or once you have a class, it will basically give like buffs to the party. So like if you have mages, because the boss will have like weaknesses against specific kind of attack, different bosses, different weaknesses and stuff like that. And if you, let's say the boss is resistant to physical attacks, then tanks and ranged won't do a lot of damage to the specific boss. But if you are a mage, or if you have a specific amount of mages in the party, in chat, you know, they will do normal damage to that boss. So you want to balance, like you want to have players or users in chat to balance the amount of damage you do, because some bosses are resistant to something, some bosses are not resistant to something, you know, something like that. And you need users in chat, you need chatters, you need viewers that have that specific class to be able to defeat the boss quickly or not be taken out easily. I like the guitar too, but there is no guitar here on Switch. Ah, it's Switch, only taiko. It'll be weird, because for the blue notes, you need to hit the edge of the drum. Huh. And you can't hit in the middle of it, only the side of the middle. That's interesting. Wonder why you can't hit in the middle of it. But yeah, we've done that system for now, the bare bones of the rating system. We'll work on it more in the future, but right now, before stream started, I was working on making the subscriber badges. As if you see here, when we enter in the app here, we're gonna get our there we go. We're gonna get our streamer, and besides his name, he's gonna have a badge, which is your subscriber badge. If you are subscribed, if you're not subscribed, you're not gonna get a badge right there. And if you subscribe, then you gonna have a badge. But right now, I need to get the badges. Like there's different ways of doing this. I was thinking of using the Twitch API because there's like different things. There's 3 things with TwitchLib. There's the API, the client, and the pub sub. And yeah, I was thinking of getting the badges on the channel, like all the badges in the channel, with hold up, with this command here, the API invoke API badges. That I don't think it has a definition for get. I think you only get the badges, and yeah, there's a get type. There's no getting in like from this, so I don't actually know how this works specifically. Like, what else can we do here? Is there something with badges? I don't think there is. Yeah, this is one way to do it through Twitch API, or the other way to do it, which is the traditional way to doing it. We want this anymore. The traditional way to do it is just have a like we already have on the user, a list here with all the sub badges, and then check for how many months the specific user right here is subscribed for. Because right now it's just getting the username and that is subscribed. It's checking if it's subscribed, and then checking for how many. Wait, I had insert open. Like for how many months that specific user is subscribed to the channel, and then for the number we get, we are gonna make an if like here, and change the badge to that specific badge. You also need to hit a bit harder in order to get the note. How hard do you have to hit? Like, I can hit pretty hard. Do they break if I hit too hard? I don't know. Right, so we don't need a user motor anymore. You probably, like, if you're not into programming and stuff, I don't think you have any idea what's going on here. You're probably wondering, why is there so much, or why are there so many words on the screen, and why are they in color? Well, for you who's asking that, unfortunately I can't answer you that. You need programming basics, and I'm not about to start throwing them on the table right now. This is too much to tell you. But how are we gonna do things here? We have check for registered users in here. Let me see how we get the subscriber thingy. So what can we do? Is cheer badge, color. Okay, yeah, we can see the cheer badge as well. Like what cheer badge you specifically have. Like this broadcast is skipping sub mode. There's a lot of things we can do. I need to hit it like you want to smash a fly on the wall. Okay, I see. That's interesting. Yeah, there we go. Subscribed month count, which I guess, yeah, it's an int. So we need an int for this. but we don't need like any int. We need a specific thing, because this over here, if I can find it, there we go. It has like the persistent data in the application, which is like checking the data of the application. Then it's getting the user in the scene, because we add every user that is in the scene in a list. And for each of that user right here, we're gonna do a thing. So what we're gonna do for each user is the following. No, we should do it. What is it? What are you at? What? Wait up. What are you at? Oh, there we go. Let's see. Before removing user, we create a new public void. And why I did this, might be wondering, why is Nano streaming this kind of shit? Why is he doing that? It's because I wanted to like talk with people during no, actually I would keep that there, during the development process, because I am getting bored at some points and not doing anything, you know, and yeah. That's why we're doing it. Besides, people, you know, you can talk with me, ask me things, and then check how the developing thing is going on in the background. Speaking of which, yesterday I've played Skyrim a lot. Like I woke up and started playing Skyrim. There was a friend of mine who tried to hit it. He was hitting it like it was made of glass, really soft. And nothing happened, I guess. I don't understand the thing here. It's another language, literally. Yeah, it is. It is the programming language, the C# language even. Right, no, so if the username is exactly the same as the username, and if Paul is subscribed, we need an integer here that says months. Yeah, we're gonna name it months subscribed. And here, where it says return, I don't want to say return. Why is it saying return? Item user is seen. Okay, so if the item same as the username, we're gonna tell it to. Oh, we need a user controller. Hold up. We need to go into the user controller. This is you guys. This is your controller. This controls you guys. It's the chip that they inserted when they vaccinated you, and I can control you through this script. You know. I don't get Skyrim outside of the modding aspect. I mean, it's kind of boring without mods, but I played with mods. Like, it's impossible to play without mods for me. But I have about 386 mods. I deleted a few yesterday, but yeah, 386 mods. And that's why it's more fun, because there's a lot more quests. But yeah, I've been playing it yesterday. I'm playing as a mage. I want to get every, like, this is about, I don't know, 50th playthrough, but I want to get every magic at master level, which is level 90 and plus, like 100. And man, it's fun. With mods involved, like, holy shit, there is some magic that you can do. It's amazing. Right, in here, I need... Where should we put it? We should put it here. A public int months subscribed, right there. So it says we're subscribed for a certain amount of months, which we're gonna get here. We'll say item dot get component user control, not animator, user controller. That month subscribed, we're taking it from there, and we put in here month subscribed. It's an int, so say for how many months we're subscribed, and then we check here for like if you Wait, what happened here? Oh shit. What up? What did we do? We typed in the wrong thingy. We did. Oh. Yeah, we typed the wrong void. So, public void, check for months subscribed. That was my bad. Month subscribed. Month subscribed. And in here, we're just gonna copy this. Oh, there we go. Paste it in here. But yeah, there is a spell like you can get if you're level 90, your master, which is Chaos Fireball. Like, holy shit, that's so fun to play with. But the drawback, because like every master spell has a drawback, like you don't have a lot of range on it. It's like a mortar, you know, like a mortar round. You fire it and it has a very low range. Like if you fire like horizontally with it, you just gonna hit the ground in front of you because it's very heavy, and you have to aim high so you can shoot and hit the enemy at a longer range, and that's a drawback of the Chaos Fireball. But when it hits, it does so much damage. 'Cause again, it's like a mortar round. It's really fun to play with. But then there is another aspect of that mod where like you can craft even like these spells you can buy from trainers and stuff, from master wizards. But then you can craft your own spells with like different kind of spells. You combine them together and you craft even better spells. And those are so much stronger in comparison with the stuff you can buy. Like you can do so much damage, and they are so fun to play. Like there is as a master spell, the default or the vanilla spell of master spells is a firestorm, where you concentrate for 3 seconds. Yeah, you just stay in place and concentrate on the spell, and then you release it. You create a firestorm that does 200 points of damage, like a lot of damage to the enemies around you. But that's the drawback, that you stay in place and you concentrate and you're vulnerable to attacks. But you can make it so that instead of a firestorm, you can craft a more powerful spell, which is fire spears. You like the same thing. You concentrate for 3 seconds and then you release it, and all the enemies around you are like struck with fire spears that come out of the ground, like knocking them to the ground and creating a lava pool under them that also damages them. So it's so fucking OP, but it takes a lot of mana and a lot of concentration. You're very vulnerable. There's a lot more spells I have to test, but they're so fun to play. Right, so we get a username in here and month subscribed. Let's check. As I said, item.get component. Wait, we can just copy paste it from here because I'm lazy. Month subscribed equal month subscribed, and here we need a username. The chat message, that username. Like, see guys, this is also with this is where I get all your information from Twitch. See? This is where I get your username. This is where I get how many months you're subscribed. This is where I get how many points you have. Like, you have no privacy on Twitch while you're on my channel. Basically, I can get every bit of information. I can get your user ID. I can get everything. Of course, I can't do much with them. I can't get your password and stuff, but I can get your stuff. It's very dangerous, but it's okay. It's safe. I deem it safe. If the Twitch allows me to do that, then it has to be safe, right? Right? Anyway. Controller terminate. No, that's removing the user. This is where we get component. Month subscribed. It should say like for how many months you are subscribed, basically. Which yeah, wait, hold up. We need no, because it automatically like gets it. Let's see. Let's check it out. So connect. We are subscribed, and to get for how many months we're subscribed, I need to go on Google and then on Twitch. And check it out. Let's see. Test. Right there. Can I not chat? What? What do you mean? Oh, there we go. Twitch is retarded. We should get the information here. Which is right here. There we go. 28 months. By the way, we're making levels. We are level 1500. What? Why are we level? Oh, it's because Maxi XP is 0. Yeah. We just get. Check this out. We're making levels while doing absolutely nothing. But yeah, we're subscribed for 28 months. Basically 1 year. Yeah, it's exactly the same. It says it here on Twitch as well. So we're subscribed for 28 months. That means that oh wait, we can actually on join channel. Client unconnected. User join. We can check on user joined actually. Like when you join the thingy. No, never mind. No, let's keep it like this. Why am I making it so you like you only appear on screen when you like say something in chat? Is because there's many, like a lot of people that are lurking and they're not saying anything all stream. So basically having them on the screen would be just having a lot of people on screen for no reason while they say nothing, which is stupid. It takes a lot of resources. That's why if you're just lurking and not saying anything, you're not gonna appear on screen. Right. So what do we do that we have now that we have the months and stuff? Well, what we do is we go into user controller here. This is what we do. This is where we change stuff. See, level up, no. Check for data, check for premium. This is if you're like a streamer. This is my way of calling the streamers premium, and not only streamers but specific people that support the application or the game and donate and stuff. I'll open a Patreon, like if you guys want to support the development of the app game. So you can donate there. We'll see. But yeah, it's subscriber. Here is checking it like if it's subscriber. And if it is a subscriber, I want it to like go through a void, which is here. Void check for sub badge, right? Right, because right now we only have one sub badge that everybody, if it's a subscriber, they get only one or the first sub badge, as it says here. But we don't want that. We want to check for how many months. So the subscribers or the sub badges are put on specific months. So basically we'll say that if the months subscribed are let's say equal to 1, which is the default, the first month if they're a new subscriber, we're gonna have the sub image sprite equal to 0, which is the first sub badge. Then we'll say else if month subscribed is equal with 3. So basically, if you are a 3-month subscriber, which I think is the next sub badge. Let me check. What is it? Imported textures. I have 1 month. Yeah, 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. Remember that, guys. So if you are a 3-month subscriber, you are gonna have the second sub badge in the image. Your image will be a second sub badge. By the way, in programming and stuff, or in a list in Unity, most likely, you are not starting from number 1. Like, your first entry is always number 0, not number 1. Your second entry in the list, or second object in the list, is number 1. That's how programming works in Unity and in general. Okay, month subscribed. So if the month subscribed is 6 months, if you are subscribed for 6 months, then you're gonna get the third sub badge. And if you are subscribed for how much, 12 months is a year, then you are gonna get the 4th entry in the list. Basically, that's how stuff is. And we're gonna call the check for sub badges in the subscribed or is subscribed thingy. You know? So it always checks for when you're subscribed and stuff like that. And then if we go into Unity here, we should open the prefab of this guy and add in a very good and beautiful list every other sub badge, which is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. Right. And now if we enter, or if we start the thingy here and we enter our channel name and connect, then we spawn, we have a, well, we have a null, or what's going on now? Wait up. Wait a second. Wait a goddamn second. What? Oh, wait. There we go. Oh, it says 0 months. Yeah. I know why. It says 0 months because it's not getting the thingy. I'm gonna do what's called a pro gamer move. And I'm gonna make an interesting entry here. We're gonna check in the here on user joined. So if e.username is Nanosnaker, then we do this. And here we just need that. I don't know if it works like that. Oh, no, that doesn't work. Hold on. What can I get? Okay, username, can I get? No, I can't. Maybe I can get in the channel. Nope. Ah, that's interesting. How do we get it then? Yeah, we have to check specifically for subscribed months count and the username, which I don't think we can get the months subscribed from these. When user join arguments. We can make a different one. But no, we can't actually, because we can't get the data from. Can I get it from here though? Like when it's connected to the channel and stuff? What can I get from here? No, I can only get the bot username, because this is for the bot. When the bot connects to something. Yeah, never mind. Ignore my pro gamer move. It's not working as intended. Very well. I guess if you're the owner, we can do it through the API? Question mark? Which client API? Let's see. Public owner months. We'll call it that. It should be an int. Yes. Yeah. I have no idea how to do it here. I have no idea how to work with the API thingy. Maybe in update? No, in start. We should put it in start. Correct? API that... Yeah, API that invoke... API that version 5? And you have a lot of things here. Badges, bits, channels, collection, games, teams, users. No. Helix. Channel points. Event sub. Subscriptions? No. What else can we do here? Maybe undocumented is also a thing here. Can we get the joint channel though? Like, That's a good question. For now, I'm not gonna dwell on it. We'll see later. We'll check later. In the documentation, which I don't really want to do because the documentation of Twitch lib is quite shit, quite literal shit, and annoying. So let's connect to the channel and then just type something in chat here. Should automatically get the data, right? Yeah, 28 months. Oh, wait up. You see, the problem here is that if you don't, like, the way we did it is that if you're not a specific month, like the 12th month or the 6th month, you are not gonna get the sub badge. So we need to do an in-between. So if you're more or equal 1, but you are a month subscribed is less than 3, then you get this. If you are more or equal 3, or 3 or more months subscribed, and you are less than 6 months subscribed, you get the second badge. If you are 6 and more months subscribed and less than a year, you get the second badge, and if you are more or equal an year, you get like the fourth one, the last badge. Now it should work as intended. If it doesn't work as intended, call me a Jawa. Okay? Okay. Connect. Okay. Let's see. And it's working. There we go. It's working perfectly. We got the thingy there. The whatchamacallit? The thingy. The badge. The sub badge. So basically now every user that is a subscriber is gonna get their badge. And because I don't want this to like enable at the start of the thingy, we're gonna do it here. Like when we check for it, we're gonna enable it. You know? So technically, if we go in here where the user ID is, it should be named username container, so I don't change it. It should be off, so you don't see it like right away. You know, you just like see it. Why used to see it? What? Nani the fuck? Oh, it's because, yeah. Okay. How do we do this? We can say if months subscribed is more than 0. And leave it at that. Yes, sir. That should work. Yeah, so guys, what do you have planned for Christmas? What are your plans for this Christmas? Do you have any events planned? You're gonna party with friends? You have your you're gonna have a Christmas you know, with your family, with your loved ones. How's your Christmas gonna be this year? Okay, we don't get anything now, which is good. And if we go to that, yeah, there we go. We are having the badge. The badge. Now, the thing is, like, if we are like here in premium, but we're still not checking. How can we check for how many months we subscribed without actually checking with a chat thingy? Without sending a message. We're not sending a message. What other things do we have in here? Wait, what is this happening? Eh? Nani? Oh, right here. Okay. So what else do we have here? Okay. Being hosted, channel state changed, chat cleared. Check amount received, community subscription. I have no idea what this does. Connected, connection error. Continued, gifted subscription, disconnected. These are new things. Like this, these are in the updated version of the Twitch sub, because Twitch lib, because I have not seen them before, which is interesting. Oh. User joined, user left. User state changed, unaccounted for. Whispers. Rate notification, reconnected. Moderator, message sent, received, cleared, on a log. Join channel. Correct login, host left. Existing users detecting. Okay, continue. Chat command received. Yeah, that's interesting. We can check in we have the connect here. If I can find the connecting. Where are you connecting? Where is the... Oh, no, actually that's not a variable. A variable, you know. Well, I mean... Can we check for client that joined channel that not joined channel? No, we can't. We don't have anything. Yeah, that's not how it works. Huh. So how do we check if we get a sub on, or if we the specific channel we joined has subs or not? That's my question. Without going into messages and stuff. E dot. Do we not have anything else here? This is the name of that. Length, insert. No, we don't. We don't have anything really. The only way to check for how many months he's subscribed is through chat messages, apparently. Then how do we do it with the API? Actually, what options do we have in API? Let's check the thingy here. So we have get clip chat, get Twitch Prime offers, chat properties. I suppose that's for chat properties. Channel panels async. Oh, we can get the panels. That's interesting. Recent messages async, chatters async, recent channel events, chat users async. I suppose the chat users could be a way of getting it. We can get it through this thing, you know. Let me check something here. So I want to no, I want if the chatter object dot username is, what the fuck did I just say? Username equals Nanosnaker. Wait, so basically it's my username. Then yeah, I want to get the username. And also check. Can I only get the username in here? Oh fuck yeah, I can only get the username. I knew it. Okay, let's try something else. Let's try API invoke undocumented get chat users async in a Twitch. Wait, Twitch client that join channels, not join channels, joined channels 0. Oh, what else can we get here? No, nothing. Okay. Get chat. Oh, we can't get anything else. What am I need for this? Not you. You. Not that. This one. Oh, so we need the user ID and the channel ID. This is how you do it, basically. The channel ID is not null. So not you. You. I am me. He is you. So what's the first one about? Like, not here. Chatters async. Okay, let me check the chatters async thingy. Chatters async. Yeah, it requires just the channel name. This one requires the user ID and the channel ID. Okay. Oh, it's a specific chat user. It's not all the chat users. Ah, fuck. Well, not worth it. I'm gonna tell you that. That is not worth it. Oh, come on. Isn't Twitch API? Okay, Twitch API. Open me Twitch API. Wait, no, not this Twitch API. Fuck, man. Yeah, so comments page async with some messages. I don't want to get the chat though, I just want to get the people in chat. How do we get the peoples that have joined the channel without them saying anything? Because like we can do it with this, but with this we can't check the subscribed months. Because we only have a thing here. Then we can check something here. No, not you. Twitch events handler. One user joined, arguments, username and channel. No, not this. Save this by the way. I need... No, not you. I might need the documentation for this thingy. Ah, fuck it. Leave it like this for now. Well, what is this? Oh. Yeah. Can we get the channel, by the way? I saw a thingy for the channel there. Oh no, it's just user type. Yeah, no, never mind. This whole thingy can go away. We don't need it anymore. There we go. Now in here we get the bug in Unity which doesn't allow me. There we go. Fucking bugs. At some point Unity is getting like really bugged and for no reason at all, and it annoys me. You have to close it and reopen it. I don't know why that's happening. I guess if it, you know, some data is getting fucked in the background the wrong way. Is there even a wrong way of data to get fucked? Or a right way? Yeah, so we get the sub badges now, like for anybody or for all users that join, they will have their sub badges and months and stuff like that. Right? Now, a bug that we have to fix, now we just found today, is the max HP thingy. Max XP. Which normally it shouldn't be 0. Normally it should be equal 10. But let me get the... I don't know where this is. I think it's in prefabs, but I'm too lazy to open prefabs and check through it. But we're gonna get here. We'll put at 10. There. You need 10 XP to get level 1. You'll be able to get XP by just staying on the channel, like 1 XP per, I don't know, 30 minutes of watching to the streamer, something like that. Yeah. Or I suppose that's fair. Or maybe I should make it like 5, because if it streams for 2 hours in like 5, how much is 2? How many 30 minutes are 2 hours? It's 30. Okay, 1 hour, 2 hours. That's about four times. So 20 XP per stream. Yeah, it's understandable. That works. Because it's getting doubled, and then at 20 minutes, and yeah. I think it's good. I don't know. We'll change the how much XP is given to the player, or basically we'll be able to make like polls and stuff and see what's better and what's not, and trial and error, everybody. That's what programming is about, after all. Trial and error. Anyway, what should we move on right now? We're getting the how many months is subscribed, the month subscribed. what else should we get? I think we should continue with the rate system thingy, cause yeah, that's the thing. Oh, by the way, I need to change something in the important save data files here. Now, where is Unity's persistent data going again? Where is the persistent data path? Oh, so by default, that shit is in like the user app data, locals, packages. No, wait, that's for store apps. Where's the Windows one? What? Huh? A standalone player right here. It's local low. I still don't understand why the Windows has two locals in its app data. Like you have local and then you have local low. I get low. It's like the whatchamacallit, the Snoop Dogg's club there, you know? Everybody's low and chill. Well, everybody's high at the same time. So product name, what's this product's name? Is that Dynanobs, right? Yeah, it's Dynanobs. Dynanobs, user profiles, right here. There's a lot of users in here. Yeah, I still have you, like every one of you who joined at some point when the game was opened, or when we tested it on stream. Like I have myself, I have Nemo, I have Santi, I have Seraph, I have Bogdan, Silvio, Kimiko. Everybody's in here. Yeah, I don't care about you. I care about myself. For now. What the fuck is this? Oh, we might not be saving like the max XP needed and the current XP needed. Well, that's something we have to fix. Okay. Roger, Roger. Where is it? Where's our save? Like here, data write system, right? Yeah, this is where the things happen. Because right now we're just saving every data on our local, like on a local hard drive. But when the app is gonna be ready for beta testing, yeah, we're gonna have beta testing, by the way. Beta testing is gonna be probably when we're gonna be able to store information on a data system and stuff, which is not local. But yeah, we have some beta testers actually for Dynanobs. Let's see. So we save data, we have then registered user. No, we don't care about registered user. This says what data we're saving, which is user controller username, points, and user class. That's everything we save like right now. But I also wanna save the user controller max HP and XP and user controller current XP. At the same time, I want to save user controller level. So you know, we know what level it's everybody and how much XP they have, or how much current XP and how much XP they need for that. Now then, when we load all the data that it is from here, what the hell are we loading? File not found, directory not found. Yeah, no, that's not where we need. The data string using what? Oh no, yeah, we need that. Profile data does not contain a definition for profile data. Where is the profile data, by the way? Welcome back, Nemo. You did miss. Oh, here's the profile data. There we go. You did miss us adding the sub badges for the app, for the game. Like, right, everybody who is a subscriber can get its badge next to his name now, thanks to our very simple system that we did. So what do we need here? We need the following. We need an integer that is level. We need an int that is max XP and another int that is current XP. So we save them in there. And then here for the profile data, yep. Thanks to Visual Studio being very smart, we can actually do that. Okay, nice. I don't have to write 1,000 like code thingies now. Okay, so starting XP, or no, starting level is 1. Starting max XP until the like next level, it should be 10, and the current XP it's 0. That's hard coded when a new user joins the chat or registers into the application. By the way, registering as a user for the application or for the game is going to be done through the user interface. It's not gonna be through a command in chat anymore. It's gonna be through registering on the app once you download it. Like if you don't have an account, you just register a new account. Right, so we get that, we put that in there. Good. Everything seems to be fine now. We just need to get the information now, which is in here, I suppose, where we load the data. Yep. So we get the points, we get the user class, and then we're gonna need the level, which is Twitch data level, max XP, and current XP. Done. That's it. We save and load the data. Wow, that was... yeah. Very hard. So we shouldn't have like 1,000 XP now. Or a level 1,000 from the beginning. We should probably change the level in here as well to 1. Right. So let's start and test it out. Connect. Connecting to Twitch chat. There we are. We don't have our badge, of course, because we are owner. Why are you not moving? There we go, he's moving. Let me check. We are still level 1,000 and stuff because max XP is 0. Why is max XP 0? Are we saving max XP as 0 in here? Is this not where the data is saved? Or what? Hello? We might not be loading the data because we are, but no, we are. Max HP. XP. Are we saving it here? Well, that's interesting. I believe now it's saved. As being level 1,000 and something. No, it's not good. No, it's on 10 and this should be 1. There we go. We fixed it, everybody. We fixed it. Don't worry. Sylvia, what's up? Welcome to the stream. How you doing, boy? How have you been? Long time no see. Unsubscribe to 28. I believe we should say something in chat about this. Hold up a moment. Let me get my Twitch up. Test. Okay, good. We get our Twitch badge now. Everything works as intended. Let's save the data. So we're level 1 and we have max XP, which is 10. Question is he gonna save it? Good, but not that good because I have buckle. Ay. Yeah, that one is shit. I mean, the period is shit, you know. In general. Okay, yeah, it works. It saves the data. So now it works without a problem. It saves the data. We can basically level up. We can do whatever the hell we want. So that is fixed. We're not getting 50-100 levels anymore. What else? What should we continue on doing here? We both have the bug. Oh, you both. So both of you are in the 12th grade? Damn. I gotta say, like, for me, the worst part of the 12th grade was exactly that, the BAC, the final exam. It's really annoying. Like, the period, or not the period, the whole environment was so stressful, you know, because you had to do so much. Your teachers were always on your ass and asking you, have you done that? Have you done that? Have you studied for the exam? Every class that basically, you know, had its thingy in the back, it was very stressful because every teacher was like, yeah, we're gonna work more, and then we're gonna have a bit more tests that I'm gonna give you, see if you can pull it off and shit like that. It was so fucking annoying and very stressful. Yeah, but it's not actually that hard like other people say. It's not as hard as stressful. It's more stressful than hard. That's the point. Like, if you study and have no problem, you're okay. But if everybody's gonna like want a lot more from you at that moment than they wanted before that. I need to clean my keyboard. But yeah, now that we both are here, Nemo and Silvio, what do you have planned for Christmas? Do you plan to go somewhere? Do you plan to celebrate it with your family? Do you plan, I don't know, to go out with a loved one or anything? Bold of me to assume that anybody in chat has a girlfriend or anything. Right? And why did you scare at the back? I'm gonna mother out info. Yeah, you're actually wrong. You're actually wrong. My back was from Romanian, history, and geography. Because I was social sciences. I wasn't doing any math or anything like that. So yeah, I wasn't actually scared of anything. More of like stressed about like the Romanian part of it. The because that was, I never understood. I never knew how to make that shitty commentaries on like books and stuff. I was like, fuck that. But other than that, like the history, history is my favorite topic. I study history in my free time. I have a bachelor's degree in history. So yeah, that was easy for me. I was like, oh, okay, yeah, it's history. I like it. And geography, it's kind of easy. Because if you know history, you kind of have to know geography as well. So yeah, it goes hand in hand. I had an idea to go somewhere, but not anymore. Oh, I see. So basically staying at home. Hey, it's good. Christmas at home is as good as any other Christmas, you know, but in my opinion, it's like better. Because you get to enjoy like free time and silence, and my nose is running. I think I'm gonna sneeze. And you just stay at home. You have very chill day with hot chocolate while watching streamers and YouTubers, you know. It's a very fun thing. A chill thing to do. Stay with the family at home, same thing. Oh no. I didn't know that. Well, now you know. Ever since I was a kid, I didn't like geography, or just the Romanian geography. Oh no, the Romanian. Yeah. I get what you're saying, Nemo. I hate. I like history, but the only history I hate and I generally do not enjoy at all is the Romanian history, because it might be the fact that we've been fed the same shit over and over since like grade school, the same history until even fucking college or university. You only get to study the same history, which is very heavy on Ottomans and how we got fucked over the years. It's very not really fun. It's shit. Same with geography, same with everything. I don't know. The way they present it, it's kind of shit. Then you have something for Christmas? Not really, no. I'm just gonna spend it home. Maybe, you know... Actually, I don't know. Like the Christmas, I'm gonna spend it with my family. The 24th or 25th? I think it's 24th. The first Christmas day. Then the other Christmas days, maybe we're gonna stream something in a while, working on something. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I have no plans. I have absolutely no plans for Christmas. You have Netflix? I'm gonna say yes, but not in the way you think I have it. I'm gonna put my patch on the eye and my pirate hat on and say I have it. From another person. Yeah. Basically, pretty much. I really want to change this. I don't like how the whole UI is looking right now. I think I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna do another pro gamer move and change the UI a bit. Why did I expect the pirate even before you said the eye patch? Because you know me. Because you know me too well. That's why. You'll be here for long enough to know what we're what I'm on about. Let's see. Oh, because we're Romanians. Oh, maybe that. Yeah, maybe. Like, you can't be a Romanian if you don't have a or if you're not a pirate, you know. You can't be a Romanian if you don't have a Firelist account. Let's be fucking real. It's impossible. It's literally impossible. Accepted, disabled, challenged. Oh, right, yeah, these things are for duels. Like, I had this idea for you guys, like, if you wanted to test your skill against another user, you can actually like challenge that specific user to, you know, to a combat and have a duel with him. See which one of you is stronger. But how can I get a file list account? I'm not sure you can anymore. No, actually you can, but you need an invitation to get a file list account. An invitation that only other file list users can give it to you. And right now, because there was some kind of thingy with selling invitations and stuff, they have restricted only some users to be able to send invites. So you have to be a VIP to send an invite to somebody to create an account. Otherwise, you can't. Like, I have so many invites that I can send in my file list account, but I can't send them because I'm not a VIP. You want to make it a PvP? Not really. I just want to, like, you're not gonna lose anything, or kind of. Yeah, you can have like friendly duels with other people. And I think it's a good idea if LoL had a PvE mode. Yes. Not only a good idea, it will be a wonderful idea if it had a PvE mode. It would be not revolutionary because it has been done before, but it would be a bit more fun than the state it is in right now. Because like if you don't feel like a sweaty, toxic son of a bitch, and you don't want to play Summoner's Rift or Howling Abyss, you should be able to play a more chill game mode that you can also win from. So yeah, you should basically have something like raids, maybe, you know? Something like that. Or make something PvEVP. Like a PvE and the PvP mode combined, where you don't have to destroy the enemy base, but you can just farm, or you have to fight objectives. You know? Like, you farm a bit and then you go for the middle of the map and you start fighting for an objective. Heard people got to try hard at Aram too. Is it true? Not really, no. I mean, you can find tryhards in Aram, but then at the moment, why they're tryhards in Aram is because they added the new map and everybody wants to try it out, you know. But it'll calm down at some point, so don't worry about it. Don't worry about it too much. But I have to say, it's a lot more fun now. Aram is a lot more fun. AWAM, as it's called in English. The fucking thing I hate about LOL in English is that how calls it AWAM? It's Aram. And who calls it Kale? Who calls her Kale, man? It's Kyle. It's fucking Kyle. It's not Kale. Fucking... What are they? Nomads? I don't know. I'm getting a phone call. Be right back. And we're back. There we go. Yeah, sorry, I had to take a phone call. What did you guys say here? I feel like I'm talking as a journalist. Or maybe you are a journalist, anyway. We don't know about it. You add custom characters. Not really, no. I'm thinking more of like skins that you can acquire through events, and like custom characters will be only for for streamers. They're gonna get custom characters. Other than that, no, just only skins. I mean, you'll be able to customize your character because you're gonna have armors and weapons, but other than that, no, nothing else. Welcome back, Bogdi. He called him someone. I think I asked this before, Punkly, but where are you from? Let's see. Bogdi and Eddie, you weren't here when I asked, but what are you gonna do for Christmas? Do you have anything planned? Why? Just curious. That's all. I mean, you don't have to say if you don't want to say. No, that's that. What else do we need to do here? Change the whole thingy now? Like the UI? Maybe do something else. We can actually update the UI for the combat here. Because of this. It should be the user health, which I don't like it. I don't like how it looks. I can't wait to order from Altex. Why? What did you buy yourself? What did you order? What the fuck is headphones? What the fuck was that? Oh, it's a that's a cable. That was a cable. I have no idea what it was connected to, but it's off now. A keyboard. Oh, it's the keyboard, isn't it? The HyperX one you were talking about on Discord, right? Right. Whoa, mate. Let me save that and let's see. I want a, not you. I want a health bar. I want the user health to be a health bar. You're not supposed to be in there. You're supposed to be here. Oh god. Oh god. That's small as fuck. Can we just... Yeah, there we go. I'll make it smaller and we're gonna make it bigger and I have no idea where to put this. And don't you dare say that's what she said. Because that's more of a roasting than anything. Oh, Jesus. I want to hide this. could have that there, but I don't want it. I don't want it to be red because red is usually like symbolizes the enemy. So we're gonna do it another color. Technically, it should be green, you know, because it's friendly. It's a good character, but we are gonna do it blue because we have a green screen, and if it's green, it's not gonna be seen. That rhymed. Combat UI. Oh, that's the health bar. Combat UI is here. So health bar is down here. And it should be... Where should we put the health bar? Like, where do you think it's a good place for it? Should it be in the middle? Should it be on the right side? Because technically the warrior robots are gonna be here. So where should we put it? Above them? And no, that's not gonna be a good idea because it's gonna stretch with it. So I think maybe underneath them. This is hard. This is the hardest part. The hardest part of developing a game is actually the design of the UI. This is why companies hire people for this, specifically for this. Let's do this. There we go. Make the robot red in at the moment you have lower HP. We can do that, but not right now. We are whatchamacallit, is doing the developing thing. But I think I understand what you mean. Like the robots should be red. The lower health you get, they get red. Yeah, but we don't have individual robots. Like you will not be able to fight individually. You won't see your model while fighting, because the way this works is when you start a fight, you don't see your model. You just see placeholders. Because if we have like 150 users or viewers, or you have 1,000 viewers on screen, it's gonna be so cluttered that the boss will not have room to fight. Everybody will be on the screen. Nothing will have any sense anymore. So yeah, we're doing it like the whole chat in 3 placeholders. How many call it to you, piece of shit? Is that how couriers call you, man? That's how they talk to you? Yo, your parcel's here, you piece of shit. I like that. Honestly, we need more couriers to do that. I swear to God, it would be so nice. I don't know. I'd like it. I'd like it if I would be called by the courier and said, "Your parcel's here, piece of shit. Come grab it, bitch. Bring me my money." If you make the red name, no, it's gonna be an HP bar. I think it's better with HP bar. It represents it better. Yeah, guys, you should get excited. Like, you should really get excited for 2023, because I'm planning a much interesting return, like a comeback. You know, back to playing stuff and stuff. stuff and stuff. Didn't know you liked to be talked dirty. No, it's not like you like to be talked dirty, but it would be funny, you know, in like a random stranger that brings you your stuff, calls you a piece of shit, and bitch can't bring my money. That would be funny as fuck. I would laugh my ass off just because of that. Like that would make my day, you know. If the courier I know comes, I would be happy that I get along well with him. Oh, so you basically have your like somebody you came to know that works in the industry. I see. Understood. Yeah. Like, tell me it wouldn't be fun or funny if you like if a courier calls you piece of shit. I wouldn't take it as an insult. I don't know. I just wouldn't. Like, why would you take it as an insult if somebody calls you a piece of shit? You know you are. Like, you know you are a piece of shit. Why would you deny it? Because that is gonna be the hero. We need like that. I think in a corner it's gonna be the best. I like that. As the player health there. Okay, that doesn't work well. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? What is going on, Unity? You wanna talk about it? I don't think he wants to talk about it, but we're gonna make this 1 and 1. Show that. If you call me in that accent, then it'll be perfect. I know, right? People call me a piece of shit all the time. What's the big deal? Well, it's about the way you're being called a piece of shit. Not sure about the others though. I mean, it depends how they call you, you know. Yeah, the join emote. I would like to get emotes on YouTube, but we need to get to the 1,000 subscribers, and no wait, that's not the. I don't. We have to get members. I don't remember what we need for that exactly. Let me check, because I think we can check and see what we need for getting subs. Members. Welcome back, Silvio. But you can make the person how watch the stream to be only see the own HP. Oh, so like season. I mean no, because they won't have their own XP, you know. HP. My bad. The HP in general will be collected into the big player thing or the big chat thingy. Like it's shared HP over every other user, not an individual HP. Something like that. You can use it on 7TV or Better TV, I think. I'll check. I think we need monetization, right? To start having members and stuff. Yeah, because we need a partner program. Okay, so we need 1,000 subscribers. And we need 4,000 hours watched. Public watch hours. So, yeah, we have 60 subs. We basically need 940 more subs to get the members so we can get emotes. And we need 3,866 more public watch hours to get the hours requirements. It's a big one. That's a big one. But don't worry, we're gonna get there after we start getting some gameplays out and stuff like that. I can't say anymore because I'll spoil things for next year. Oh baby. I have some pretty nice ideas. I did some brainstorming, I told you. Some really long brainstorming. So our health is there, okay. I just need to change how the way health is seen here. And combat manager. Well, hello. What is it? Where you at, bitch? Make HP bar to be the floor. Oh, so you mean something like... You mean something like this? Like to be the whole thingy? I've seen a game that has this, but I don't remember which. But in that case, yeah. Yeah, it's not a bad idea. I mean, it doesn't look bad. I like it. Gonna be like that. This, on the other hand, needs to be over it. I'm getting over it. You get it? It's the game? Yeah. I'm not sure that if it works anymore, but some of the low channel get boosted with the shorts, so maybe you can use that too. Yeah, shorts is an option as well. Shorts, TikToks, and all the other shit. Like, listen, I think I'm slowly making my bucket list for the next year, because usually I did not have a bucket list for like how long we've been doing shit. I didn't have a bucket list, but for next year I think I'm working on a bucket list of things that I want to do, and I want to, as I said, I want to change a few things here on the whole how the channel works, because we've been pretty restricted, or actually I restricted myself into making something a bit more professional, like the Creative Monkeys have, and you know, be a bit more of a professional streamer and all that jazz. But I think that is kind of hurting our numbers, or not hurting our numbers as more as it's hurting the community side of things. And I want to expand more and lower the morality level and raise a bit more the what I'll do and where I'd post to get stuff out or to get viewers and stuff. Because I didn't want to use TikTok and shit like that, because I hate TikTok. But if it helps to get numbers, I make a compromise. You know, in the name of science. Same with Twitch. I think I'm gonna give Twitch another chance. I think. I'm still not 100% sure on that, because it's still a shitty community. And they're still doing shitty things. I haven't seen an update on the Twitch API since the last year. Twitch, hello? Have you forgot about your developers? Spiffy? You there? My boy? But yeah. Now I need to go. Bye everyone. Bye. And good luck with your project. Thanks, Punk Lee, and yeah, thanks for coming to the stream. Have a nice day. See you on the next stream. So yeah, we'll change we'll change a few things here and there. We're gonna become a necromancer. You know, and we're gonna go hard on that graveyard humor. No, not that. We're gonna start digging up some old bodies, old accounts that we've kinda put in the ground with the old Nano. The new Nano thinks differently. The new Nano, this is not the new Nano. This is the Nano that likes to that likes to play LOL. This is the Nano that likes to play LOL. No, this is the Nano that will is in transition and sleeps 12 hours a day. Right? Right. The new Nano, though, is gonna do a whole lot more for money. Well, hell yeah. When will be the stream? Garagu Hedioryu. Gararyu, is that you? Garago Heriuri. Garago Heriuri. I like your name. But yeah, next stream. Probably tomorrow. What if there was a Nano boss fight at random encounter? Could be. Could be. A corrupted version of Nano. I kind of have, like, the bosses, I have them thought about. Like, you can't see because I can't show you. But I have a list here of the story from Dynanobs, the bosses, the characters that will appear, the armor sets, all the stuff, and everything takes place in the Cyber Mansion. It's nice to see that you remember me. I remember everyone, every last one of it. It's just hard. Okay, so on YouTube it's a bit harder because your names are different from Twitch. But if you say me your Twitch names, I remember you most definitely. Because I remember my chatters. You know? I'm not forgetting my chatters. I remember some of my first chatters, which... one of my first chatters that was very active in the community was Carburetor. He was a Russian dude that liked photography. I remember him. I still remember him. Project Snaker, a robot based on Nanosnaker. Project Snake, I don't know. Maybe we're gonna find another name for it, but yeah, we'll see. I mean, Nemo, if you are patient for the next year, you're gonna like what you see. By the way, have you checked our Twitch channel? By the way, and when I say our, I mean my and the other two people in my head. It's just me, myself, and I. We're a trio. No. Today we're not talking about the voices in my head. When I say our, I mean like me and you and Mikoshi and everybody. Have you checked the Twitch channel? Because I changed some things there. I suppose that will put you on one of those moods like, what's going on? Other two people in your head. You don't know you were Deadpool too. No, I'm not Deadpool, but I share some common things with him, like the people in my head that I usually talk to. I mean, not only that I talk with them, but I can see them. Yeah. Let me get my controller out of the way because it's standing in the way here. You stay there. Let's see. We were at the health thingy. Where is the health thingy? Here. How did I do it for the boss? Where's the boss? Actually, do you think you and Pool will get along? Most definitely. I mean, both of us like to kill people. Both of us are crazy. And probably... I don't know. The only thing we don't, like, connect to is that he's undead, I'm not. Undead. He's immortal, I'm not. Max health and... Attack power? No. This. So we need this, we need the other things. Let's put it in the combat system. And both of you have voices in your head. Yeah, and that, and that. We have current health, but we don't have max health. Well, that's interesting. Oh yeah, we need to use Unity engine.ui. Oh, and for Silvio, because you thought I went like on Mate Info and stuff on the like div programming and thing like that. Nope, I have not studied any programming in my life in school or anything like that. Everything I know is self-taught from the internet. And that shows you guys that even if you're an idiot, you can always pull up a Google sheet and start working on stuff. Now I check what you do on Twitch. A little mystery there. Yes, it's a little mystery. It's a little mystery that's gonna come next year. I have everything prepared. It's just a lot to work on because it involves a lot of rendering and stuff. And yeah, my PC is not as powerful as other PCs. And rendering, it takes a while. So have you made some memes since the last time we met? No, sadly. He did not have the materials. Sorry for asking. Why are you sorry for asking him? You shouldn't be sorry for asking. You should instead of going sorry for asking, you should be go do some memes, bitch. You know? And I believe Silvio will be like, but I have to study for the exams and stuff. And you should be like, what's more important, exams or making memes for the internet? Let's be real now. What is more important? What do you mean? I made memes. Don't say sorry, it's normal to ask. Yeah, exactly. It's even normal to command him. No, it's not. But friendly banter is always normal. Current HP, around max HP. Max health. Because we need a max health for the health bar. For the slider. So, how do we do this? Because we don't get... Yeah, we don't actually get a max HP. But we have a thing here. Waiting for fight. Here, in start fight, we basically stop waiting for people to join the raid. And before the user turn, we're gonna say that the max health is equal current health when we start the fight. It's like a start thing. Why? YouTube, why are you... why are you censoring the dot in parentheses, the laugh thingy? What the fuck? Okay, Silvio, I demand you go and make memes about Nano and sandwiches. Or sandwich. Yes, sandwich. Sandwich. Okay, now we need to set it. How did we did in here? This one. This. We need this motherfucker. We need this motherfucker of a function. And we're gonna set the max health in here somewhere, if I can find it. Here. And the health is max health. Oh, there you go. Now we can call this out. We have health set, the values we need, the health bar is set. The last thing we need is this, which we're gonna put in taking damage. Done. Set max health. No, wait, set max health. Wait a moment. Set health bar. Okay, and this is set health. Why not, huh? Oh. Right, we need a value here as well. Yep. You do that and then here. I'm already working on a meme for Nano, but not with sandwich. Nano is a heavy follower, it seems. Heavy follower. Hey, my most played class in Team Fortress, I think it was the engineer, because of camping, because I like camping. I had a tent. No, I didn't. But I had a blanket. Okay. Can you guys hear the music on the background, by the way? I didn't ask you. I have forgot to ask you. What is the in here? Where health? Hold up. There it is. I was waiting for that motherfucker for a long time. Yep, another company manager. The health. There we go. No, we can't hear. Fuck. How about now? Can you hear it now? I think it's too loud. Here we go. Bless you, thank you. Here's a warrior. And then we have these. I'm gonna change value. But this should change its value here. Yep. Let's test it out. See how it doesn't work. Oh, before that, hold up. We forgot to do a thing here. I believe it's right here. I don't need you anymore. Yep, I don't need this. Bah, no, I don't need it. Fuck it. I want you to go fuck yourself. That sounded creepy. Can you hear the music now? Everybody? Testing moment. Connect. Yes, good. I am glad. Is it too loud or is it too quiet? Start the rate. The character will go there in its position. We wait for 10 seconds. And there we go. There's the health. There's the enemy health. And wait up. There's the health. A little quiet, okay. Yeah, we can hear both you and the music. The roaster sings. What roaster? Is it okay now? It should be louder. Ah, it's working. We are losing health. That's good. He's losing health as well. Good. Everything works as intended. Actually, not everything works as intended. The toaster music. That makes sense. We are a toaster. We have toasters around. Yes, it's very okay. Glad. I am glad. Okay, I have a problem now. This motherfucker. Where are you at? In this motherfucker. Not this motherfucker. This motherfucker. We are supposed to turn around. See? But we're not turning around. Which is strange. I don't know why. Let's see if this gets called out. Or a reached point. Never actually thought about the toaster being the one that sings the music, but now you give me an idea. When it's a jukebox, when you have a toaster that can play music. Right? Okay, there we are. Comeback has started. We've reached there. Yeah, it's not getting called out. Why? Why are you not getting called out? Because here technically it is getting called out. Okay, I want to see the target. Bet you guys have no idea what's going on here right now. Well, you're in luck. Because I have no idea either. Isn't game dev amazing? Isn't game dev amazing? You know so much about what's going on. By the way, speaking of game dev, gosh, have you seen the whatchamacallit, the new... Oh yeah, it's not getting updated. Have you seen the new Warzone? The Warzone 2? I mean, if you are into Battle Royales, you should have seen it by now. I wish it'd be everywhere on the internet right now. But yeah, they have like Warzone 2 is one of the worst war zones in the history of any Call of Duties that have been ever created. And I'm not saying that. It's actually big people that have played the game for a long time that say that it's one of the worst Call of Duties. This one, because it's so badly made. Like if you'd think that they have experience from Warzone 1 and what they they should do and what they shouldn't do, but they have no fucking clue what they're doing. And they have 500 developers. Like they have 500 developers that have worked on Warzone 2. And the game, it looks like it's made by a 15 years old in his mother's basement. That's how it feels. Not from a graphical point of view or animations point of view, but as code goes, it's so fucking bad, man. Who allowed... How did it get past PR? I swear to God. How? How did they allow that game to be on the market? Who allowed it? It should be... it should be fired right now. I'm trying to find where I'm moving this shit. Ah, here it is. So hero point is already... Okay. Okay. A point is point, okay. Then the point should be... what? Oh, Scheiße. Yeah. I opened Discord by mistake. Target is equal... point. What's a target though? It's transform. So then... this should work, right? I was also checking this morning Twitter, and I've seen this this tweet from Elon Musk. By the way, Elon Musk. Let's talk about Elon Musk. My guy is all over the fucking place. I think he has a sickness. Like the kind of sickness that makes you, I don't know, be all over the place. Because, man, he's all over the place. So, yesterday, there was a tweet from Twitter support, which in my opinion was the worst tweets, or the worst written tweets in the history of written tweets, where basically was saying, Twitter support was saying that they are going to ban every individual or every account that makes promotions to other social media platforms on Twitter. But it was so badly written because the first part of the tweet, there were more tweets, there were replies to that specific tweet. More or other replies were saying that we're not gonna ban individuals that promote their art or their content on other social media platforms. We're gonna ban accounts that specifically are made to promote the specified platform. That threw people off because it doesn't make any sense. Like, if you don't read from an outside perspective or from like outside of the box what it meant to say, you think this bitch wants to stop me from showing my content from other platforms and stuff, which is not true. But then you go and check the Twitter support, not the tweet that Twitter support did. The Twitter support itself. Yeah, there was a problem here. It can't be a position. And why it gets worse is because on the support page, it doesn't say absolutely anything about... It's not gonna work as a transform. Fuck! Okay, we're not making a vector tray out of this. Fuck you. We are making a transform. Hey, we're making this a position. How does that transform? What? What's the problem? Oh, this is the problem. No, that's not the problem. Oh, that's the problem. There we go. Yeah, because on the Twitter support list website, it doesn't say absolutely anything about the fact that, yeah, if you're an individual and promote your content, you're not gonna have any problems, but yeah, we're gonna ban your account if you promote your stuff. And of course that got people angry. The people that yell everywhere and yell about everything. You know, the same people that were like, ah, Twitter is dying. I'm gonna go make an account on Mastodon because Twitter is dying. Twitter died, sure. They were yelling because this is shit. I'm gonna leave Twitter now. This is so stupid, and all that jazz. And yeah, they retracted that whole thing. Like right now, they took that whole statement and said, okay, we're gonna put this off. We're not gonna do this for now. You're still allowed to promote your stuff and like shit like that. That's the best thing they did, in my opinion, in this whole stuff. Because let's be honest, the way support put that on the table, it's not okay, man. I want you to fire that guy at support right now. But what surprised me the most is that Elon Musk actually came today in a tweet and said, in a Twitter poll, and said the people on Twitter, or asked the people on Twitter if he should step down as the CEO of Twitter. Which, yeah, it's strange, because there is something behind it. You know, there is definitely... Yeah, why are you still not working? What? What? Like he wouldn't just give up his position as Twitter CEO just because somebody, you know, or the mass just doesn't like him, and they use bots to try and make him leave. He'll probably like step down from the chief of the company and put somebody he trusts in his place, so he can start working on important shit. Because in my opinion, this whole Twitter charade where he bought Twitter, made the whole thingy with changing Twitter with free speech, it's kind of stupid. Because, man, just focus on the important stuff. Fuck Twitter. Who the fuck cares about Twitter and what's going on Twitter? Let them do their shit, because nobody cares about them. If they want to be communists and fascists and have people, you know, not have free opinions, then the platform will die on its own, and only quote-unquote woke people will remain on the platform. And somebody will come with another application, another social media platform. That's how it always was, and that's how it will always be. But you should focus on important shit, such as Tesla and SpaceX, because it's kind of biting you in the ass, you know. So now this works, but it's not rotating the player. Why isn't it rotating the player? That's the whole thing with Elon Musk and Twitter. Like, come on, man. Focus on the important stuff. Leave Twitter be. Nobody cares. Nobody gives a fuck about Twitter. It's a cesspool. It always was, and it will always be a cesspool. That is bad. Why is that bad? Because this... Like, I want this to stop. Coroutine. Movement. Wait time. There we go. And there's something else like we can talk about, which is the art AIs. God, I had such a brain fart with this, or more likely a migraine, Yeah, a migraine. Like, you know, one of those blood vessels on your forehead that are about to explode just because how stupid some people are. Something like that. So the art AIs and all that jazz, I don't get, people. A great man once said, technology is neither good or bad. It's about the way you use it. And the fact that so many artists are calling for or are calling against AIs that generate images to be considered art is baffling to me. Why don't you consider it art? Because I heard the argument that it steals art from the other artists. So basically, if I make an AI that takes all the art from the internet and puts it through a process of looking at that art and then recreating something based on your art, it's called stealing? So now that, like, if I have your art in the background myself and I start drawing something based on your art, it means I stole your art, right? It's basically stealing, in your opinion, or based on your argument. It's so strange to think that way, which, because it's not stealing. It's basically liking your style, I'm checking your style, and then I'm recreating something, adding my stuff in it. That's what the AI does. Combines multiple stuff and creates something new. And then there's other people that come and say that AI generated art is like not art because you did not put any work in it. Like, you've not drawn anything. Which is, again, in my opinion, wrong, because what's the difference between an artist that spent months in making a piece of art and a robot that generates it in seconds based on somebody's imagination? Like, you write some words that are in your imagination. You imagine an image and then you start wording your imagination or the image you created, and then the AI creates it for you. What's the difference between that and the artist that put his image in his head but worked on it? There is no difference. It's still art, in my opinion, even if it's worked 5 months on it or few seconds on it. Right? Not stealing. It's still an image created from your head or from your imagination. So basically, it's viable going as art. What do you have against it? the fact, and then there is the argument that, oh, because of that, we artists will not ever have a place to work anymore, or we can't work anymore, we're gonna die, we won't win money. That's shit. That's bullshit. That's absolutely bullshit. Because listen, AI art hasn't been created to be used completely as just create the image and then boom, publish it. No, AI art has been created thinking that you create the image and then you work on that image you created with the AI, you know, like a smart ass would do. You create a base basically with that image and then you edit it as an artist. You add more to it and then you make it even better and then you sell it. You sell that. And you're still gonna win money. On one hand. On the other hand, because there will be a lot of artists with AI generated art on the internet and everything will gonna be sold, you as a traditional artist are going to be able to sell your art for even more than before, because it becomes something rare and people want to buy something rare, you know. That's that was said, by the way, by Codin. I haven't thought that he said that, but I am on the same point as he is, because that's the only thing that makes sense. So yeah, I don't think AI art is neither, or AI generated images are neither bad or good. They're just technology. It's just technology that depends on how you use it. I have not understood the whole ArtStation thingy to go against the AI generated art and all that. But just leave people alone, man. Just do your thing. Do your art and then shut up. Why you have to go in other shit? Why do you have to go where somebody shits and start poking that shit? Why? You have your own shit. Poke your own shit. You're against AI generated art, okay. Keep it for yourself. Don't go all over the internet saying, oh, that's bad, it's bad, it's bad. That's your opinion. I can't suffer people like that. Like, I can't literally understand people that do that. What do you win? What kind of satisfaction do you win? This is still not working for some reason. Why? Why are you not working? Can we rotate the agent? Update rotation. Zigedo, ma che cazzo? Oh no, wait, that's not getting what I need. Right, time for some documentation, I guess. No, actually we don't need that. I don't need any documentation. It should be working well, but there is something in the middle there. A problem that I can't see. There is a GFX. Dummy thingy. Okay. Do you update the GFX? No, not you. I need to do a better way of connecting to Nanosnaker directly. Oh, actually we can do that. Hold up. Am I retarded? We can do that. What is it? Not this. Or is it? No. It's here. Text, there we go. And now when we just do that. Hallelujah! We don't have to type anytime we want to connect. So you are rotating based on this. Start to rain. You're moving towards the point, which is Waypoint? Eh? What? Wait up. Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Picked point. Can we change the rotation? From the object itself? I don't know. Anyway, I think we're gonna stop here because I'm getting tired of this, and I need to go eat something because I'm getting hungry as well. It's been 3 hours already, guys. Holy shit! It's been 3 fucking hours. I haven't streamed for 3 hours since the last time we streamed for 3 hours. Ain't that amazing? But yeah. Damn, yeah, I know. 3 fucking hours. But it was fun. I like this kind of streams because I get to also talk with somebody and work on shit, which is quite fun. So yeah, we're gonna do more of these streams until we kind of have something. No, until next year, actually. Until next year, we're gonna keep doing these streams when I get to work on Dynanobs. We're not gonna stream while working on other shit, because that's Silencio. Anyway, thanks you guys. Thank you guys for coming to this dev stream, and yeah, for anybody new or anybody who doesn't know us, check us out on Twitter, because we're posting we're posting, I'm talking about myself and the voices in my head again. I'm posting stuff about updates on anything really. Also check the YouTube community if you want to, because there's gonna be stuff coming, updates on works and stuff, and yeah, join our Discord server if you haven't yet. Everything is in the description. And check our Twitch channel where we're gonna be streaming at some point, probably. I don't know, check it anyway, because we have emotes there. Until YouTube, you know, allows us to have emotes, you can also always check the Twitch ones. Now I see YouTube has emotes as well. Okay. Anyway, thanks again everybody for watching, and yeah, next stream probably tomorrow. We're gonna work more on Dynanobs, combine this app with the PlayFab thingy for logging in and stuff. Until then, stay safe, have a great evening, and yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.